Hey everyone, it's Tina Marie. Welcome back to my channel. Of course, I am doing another review on a CurlsCurls wig for you. This video is so long overdue. I actually recorded this video when I was 7.5 months pregnant. So it's been long overdue, but I'm happy to show it with you all right now. So this is a headband wig with bangs, and I just want y'all to look at the curls. So what I really love about anything with CurlsCurls is you really can just wear this right out of the box. And that's what I do with all of my wigs from them, my clip-ins. I don't go through a really long process of getting it together because you don't need to. You can literally just wear it and go. And so it came with that headband, and this is what the inside of the wig looks like. It has a clip right below where the headband is on each side of your head at the bottom, and it also comes with the adjustable strap, and then it also comes with the strap for the headband, so that will keep it nice and secure. And I'm just showing you another close-up of the wig. I just want y'all to see that the curls are actually coming from the roots all the way to the end, so that way it looks a little bit more natural. So the type of curl pattern that I have for this wig is naturally curly, which is the 3B, 3C, and the length of this wig is 16 inches. So I'm just putting a little bit of curling cream on it, but y'all, I swear to you, you don't even need to do it. I don't even know why I put it on this wig, because whenever I wear their wigs or their clip-ins, I literally just spray it with water and run my fingers through it, and then I'm good to go. And that's it. So right now I am just securing the back, and then I am going to go ahead and work on my bangs first. Just try not to get a little scissor happy like I did. But the good thing about this wig is that if you do get scissor happy, you could just pull the wig forward a little bit so that the bangs will cover whatever part you want them to cover. So you can really customize this wig however you want to. If you don't want to cut that much with the bangs, you definitely don't have to. But if you do, you can go ahead and cut them short. It's really however you want to wear it. So I'm just going to show y'all the wig, and I'm going to do one style with it, and I'm just going to be quiet for the rest of the video, but I will go ahead and put my other videos that I have with CurlsCurls on their clip-ins and other wigs that I have with them. And just to let you know, I have every single wig, every single clip-in that they've ever given me. As of right now, I'm actually wearing their clip-ins, and I've had these clip-ins for over 2 years. So I will highly recommend CurlsCurls always. I love them. If you've tried them before, definitely let me know down in the comments. Let me know if you have tried this wig for the summer. It's super easy and you could just throw it on. But that's basically it, y'all. Just enjoy the video and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out CurlsCurls.
Little.